Hi everyone, today we're going to be making this amazing, so simple, all plant-based white vegan chicken chili. I gotta tell you, this is so simple and so good. And for those of you that know, for those of you that are already plant-based and you're a little apprehensive about maybe sharing it with other people, no one would ever know that this is not real chicken and it's not real dairy. I gotta tell you, I've made this chili for chili cook-offs, won a couple prizes, not first place, but I came close. And I've taken it to potlucks, I've taken it to Christmas parties, dinner parties. Everybody loves it and nobody will even know. Not that it matters, but they won't. And it's so simple. You get a crock pot, right? I get this plant-based chicken, it's called Mindful Chicken, right? It's like shredded chicken. The greatest thing about being vegan right now and being plant-based is these products are so readily available at any major store. You can find this at any major grocery store. So I use that chicken, I dice up a couple onions, some chili spices, I'll give you all the ingredients. I use some great northern beans, some diced green chili so it has a little kind of fiesta kind of feel. Whole corn, and this no chicken broth, which I love. It tastes just like chicken broth, but none of the bad stuff, right? Or you can use vegetable broth, anything like that. And it's so simple. You throw everything in a crock pot, put it on high for about 4 to 8 hours. It's gonna cook. I actually did this last night, left it overnight. And then what I'm gonna do to give it nice creamy textures, I got this all plant-based, no dairy cream cheese. Again, you can find this stuff so readily available now. It's not like the old days where you had to go to all these specialty stores. You can find this stuff just about anywhere. So my chili is done cooking. I'm gonna add this vegan cream cheese, no dairy cream cheese. It's gonna be a nice thickener for it, make it nice and creamy. That's gonna give it really nice texture and really nice flavor. I put some fresh cilantro in here where I was cooking it as well, and I'm chopping some up for the finished product as well. And then I'm gonna throw about a half a cup of this non-dairy whipping cream. Now this is so great. If you're like me who has a dairy allergy where I couldn't even eat dairy if I wanted to, so many people are lactose intolerant and they can't have dairy products. There's such a wide array of range of products that you can eat right now. And I gotta tell you, you'll never know the difference. I'm just gonna add about a half cup of this to the recipe. And again, that's gonna help thicken it up nice and thick, give it some nice creamy texture. And then once we're done, I'm gonna let this sit and cook for about another 5 or 10 minutes, let everything incorporate. And then once we're done, we're gonna spoon it up. I like to top mine with some plant-based dairy-free cheese, some shredded cheese, some crispy tortilla strips, and some fresh cilantro. You can put a dollop of sour cream on it, some jalapenos, whatever you want. You can make it whatever you want. It's got this really great, nice kind of fiesta flavor to it. So this is my all plant-based vegan creamy white vegan chicken chili. You gotta try it out. It's so simple. Pick up the ingredients, throw it in a crock pot. When you do, leave us comments. I wanna know, how did it go? Send me pictures. Did you tell anybody that it was vegan? Did you tell anybody it wasn't real chicken? I promise you, they'll never know. It is so good. You're gonna love it, I promise you. And for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.